Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed matrices exercise 3.2. Totally we completed exercise 3.2. Two exercises will completed in previous classes. In today class, we will continue with the another concept, that is new concept in matrices. Up to now we didn't learn we learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, but one more new concept, like this is also operation on matrices, that is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of matrix. General discussion making here. Transport means one place to another place will move, or one vehicle moving from one place to another place, that is called a transport using the bus, train, different. Sir, here what is the use of that one, sir? Here transpose, similar, just I am telling that is a similar example. Transpose of a matrix. Sir, what, sir? One place to one place matrix will move. We won't move the matrix. Here you observe definition I wrote here clearly. If A is the m by n matrix, m by n, m rows, n columns is there, then matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A is called transpose of A. Transpose means what? Interchanging rows and columns of matrix A is called a transpose of A, denoted by A dash or A transport, denoted by A dash or A transport. In another way definition, A is equal to m by n matrix. A dash is nothing but, you observe, interchanging rows and columns, Ji, rows, columns also interchanging, n by m matrix you will get, that is called a transpose. Some examples we'll see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One matrix is there, implies A dash. A dash is nothing but row right as a column, this row right as a column, automatically column right as a row, column right as a row, automatically it will complete it. So one we have to do, rows right as a column, automatically column will become a row. So you observe this one is the A dash. One more example we'll see. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You observe this is a 2 by 3 matrix. A dash is equal to row right as a column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the order? 3 by 2. Reverse order we got, that is reverse, 3 by 2. So this is a dash. One more matrix I am taking, 1, 2, 3. Single row is there. B dash means what you will get? Single column. If you have only column, that implies C dash what you will get? Column right as a row, 1, 2, 3. Rows writing as a columns, that also same. So this is a one important concept in matrices, transpose of a matrices. Next, based upon this one, for this one some properties is there. We will see the properties of transpose of a matrices. 4 properties is there. A transpose, all transpose. Transpose is nothing but T also will use or dash also will use. Don't get confused. A dash or A transpose, both are same. A dash whole dash is equal to capital A. Ka whole dash is equal to K into A dash, where K is any constant. So that is the second property. Next, third property, A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. AB whole dash, this is very important. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So this property is proof. Sir, you are writing directly, what is the proof? Proof purpose, we'll see the one example is there. One examples we'll see. Based upon properties, one example is there, example 20. If A is a one matrix, B is another matrix, verify that A dash whole dash is equal to A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, KB whole dash is equal to KB dash, where K is a constant. So 3 properties we are proof, just proof, like what is the proof of that properties means by using the examples we can see here. So solution, first of all I'll write down the A dash and B dash. A transpose, row right as a column, next row right as a column, automatically column will be a row. Next B dash, what is the B dash? 2 minus 1 2, sorry, row right as a column, 2 minus 1 2, next one 1 2 4. Says B. Verify that is there. So first question I'll see, A dash whole dash. So what is the A dash? A dash already I did here, 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 whole dash. Again this is A dash whole dash, that is equal, this dash means what? Row right as a column, 3 4 root 3 2 2 0. So you observe this one is A. So what we can conclude here, 2 times if we are making transpose for same matrix, that matrix same you will get. So A dash whole dash is equal to A, hence proved. Next, number 2 you see left side, A plus B whole dash is there. First I'll write down A plus B. So what is A plus B? Addition of the matrices, 2 matrix addition, same order is there, addition, corresponding elements addition. What is the corresponding element? First element. So 5, root 3 plus 1 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. So this is what? A plus B. Left side, A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash means this transpose I am writing, that is 5 root 3 minus 1 4 5 4 4 5 4 4. This is A plus B whole dash. Right side, A dash plus B dash, A dash plus B dash is there. So what is the A dash? This matrix plus B dash, same order is there, corresponding elements addition we have to make. So first element addition 5, 4 plus 1 also 5, root 3 plus of minus 1, root 3 minus 1. Why? Because plus into minus, 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Therefore, from above what we can write? A dash plus B dash. Hence proved this one also. Second one also completed. Next, third one, what is there? KB whole dash. Left side, KB whole dash. So first I'll find the KB. What is the KB? K into matrix B. 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. So matrix B. Multiply K inside, what you will get? 2K minus K, 2K, K, 2K, 4K. Left side, KB whole dash is there. Whole dash means row right as a column, 2K minus K, 2K. Next one, K, 2K, 4K. So this is KB whole dash. So next, K into B dash is the right side, K into B dash. Already B dash we know. What is a B dash? 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. So just multiply inside, 2K K minus K 2K, 2K 4K. Therefore KA whole dash is KB whole dash is equal to KB dash, hence proved. In previous problem we discussed the three properties proof, Three properties only we proof we got by the example. Now one more example is there, that is fourth property, we can get the proof or clarity we will get by this problem. So this is very important for 5 marks question. Important for 5 marks question. If A is a one matrix, this is column matrix, B is a row matrix, verify that A plus B whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. For that purpose, first of all, A dash is equal to what? A dash writing, B dash writing, 1 mark, 2 marks you will get, that is minus 2, 4, 5. Next, B dash. Row matrix is there, it will become column matrix. So these two writing, 2 marks completed. Out of 5 marks, these 2 marks just row write as a columns. Next, left side what is there? AB whole dash. That means first you have to multiply AB, then transpose you have to make. So first I will make here AB. So what is AB? Minus 2, 4, 5, B matrix. 1, 3, minus 6. So multiplication exists or not, that you check. 3 by 1 matrix, 1 by 3 matrix. So 1 column, 1 row. Multiplication exists. Result is 3 by 3 matrix. This is a very important. Lot of members do the mistake here. 3 by 1 matrix you will get. No, 3 by 3 matrix. 9 elements we have to get. So how to get that you see. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Completed. First row, first column. First row, second column. I told previous classes also. When column changing, leave the space. Don't do the addition. Minus 2 into 3. Minus 6. Minus into minus plus 12. Next. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 6s are 24. Minus is there minus. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Next, 5 into minus 3 is minus 30. You observe 3 by 3 matrix getting or not. So this is a perfect one. So AB. Next, left side what is there? AB whole dash. AB whole dash is nothing but this matrix dash, whole dash. Transpose we have to make, that is minus 2, minus 6, 12, 4, 12 minus 24, next 5, 15 minus 30. So this is the left side completed. Next, right side what is there? B dash, A dash. Already we wrote B dash, A dash, so direct RHS B dash into A dash. What is the B dash matrix here? 1, 3, minus 6, A dash matrix. A dash is row matrix is there. So row matrix you have to write, that is minus 2, 4, 5. Same 3 by 1, 1 by 3, same is there. Result 3 by 3 matrix you will get. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 1 into 4 is 4. Next 1 into 5 is 5. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, minus into minus plus 12, minus 24, minus 30. You observe RHS, LHS both same. Therefore, what we can write? LHS is equal to RHS. Final conclusion purpose 1 mark is there. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. That writing is 1 mark. These two writing 2 marks, 3 marks, 1 plus 1, 2, total 5 marks. So same similar problem in exercise 3.3 I wrote here already. 5th question, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Problem number 1, problem number 2 is there in the 2. Same column matrix, row matrix, column matrix, row matrix. Similar way you simplify. LHS is equal to RHS, compulsory you will get this total. Try yourself. Next concept is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. These two depend upon transpose only. So symmetric matrix, if A is the matrix. A is a square matrix, that is A is a square matrix that I am taking as a Aij. A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A. This condition satisfy means that matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Matrix A is called symmetric matrix. That is nothing but Aij is equal to Aji. After transpose also same matrix you are getting means that matrix is called a symmetric matrix. When it is possible, compulsory matrix, square matrix, then only it is possible. So one examples we'll see. So this is one matrix A. A dash is equal to what you will get? 1 4 minus 5, 4 2 6, next minus 5 6 3. This is A. A dash is equal to A. If satisfying that condition, so matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Next, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, same square matrix. A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A. If you are getting that, matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. That is nothing but here A is the matrix Aij, square matrix. A dash is equal to negative of Aij. If you are getting that, matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. And skew symmetric matrix, diagonal elements 0. All diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix is 0. This is a one note point. So how you will get that one? You can see this one. Aij is equal to minus Aji. After changing rows, columns, negative is different. So if you send this side, Aij is there. So now I is equal to j you take. What you will get? Aii is equal to minus Aii. If you send this side, 2ii is equal to 0. Aii is equal to 0. This is a proof of this point. Diagonal element, same row, same column elements is 0. And general form of a skew symmetric matrix. General form of a skew symmetric matrix is diagonal elements is 0. And if here A is there, here minus A, here minus B is there, here B, here C is there, here minus C. Just opposite signs you will get here. Opposite signs you will get. Same element, opposite signs, diagonal elements is 0. By seeing only we can identify easily that is a skew symmetric matrix. This is a symmetric matrix. A dash is equal to A means symmetric. A dash is equal to minus A means that is skew symmetric matrix. Next, two theorems is there. Especially first theorem is important for 3 marks question, and second theorem also some important, but problems lot of times asked in for 3 marks question. Based upon this theorem, problems is there, that problems asked for 3 marks question, and this theorem lot of time directly they ask for 3 marks. So for any square matrix capital A, any square matrix capital A with real number entries, that means every element is a real number in that square matrix. Every element is real number. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. We have to show this one. A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So that's why proof let B is equal to, I am taking one B is a matrix, that is A plus A dash. So I'll make the simplification for this one. Both sides transpose I am making. Whole dash. B dash is equal to A plus A whole dash. We have the properties. By properties, what we can write? A dash plus A dash whole dash. So A dash plus A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash also first property is there, that is A. A dash whole dash we can write as A. So we can write reverse also A plus A dash, commutative property of matrices. So what we got? B. B dash is equal to B we got. B dash is equal to B is nothing but B is symmetric matrix. B is nothing but A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. So this is a proof. Just you have to take as a one matrix, dash you make, properties use, same getting means symmetric matrix. Next, I am taking now C. Let capital C is equal to this matrix, A minus A dash. Both sides applying transpose. So separate A dash minus whole dash. I wrote only plus writing also, minus writing also, this property will holds. Just plus minus is there, separate. Multiplication is there, reverse. B dash into A dash will write, that is no use here. A dash minus this one is A. If we are not getting this one, you observe. If reverse writing also won't get. So minus I am taking common. Minus if we are taking common, this minus is there plus. This plus is there minus. This one what? C. C dash is equal to what got? Minus C. A dash is equal to minus A getting means that is a skew symmetric matrix. So here C dash is equal to minus C. Therefore C is nothing but what? A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric matrix. Next, another theorem is there, theorem number 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So solution here, proof A is a square matrix. This one we can write as a 1 by 2 into A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. We can write or not. You observe 1 by 2A, 1 by 2 into A dash plus 1 by 2 into A minus 1 by 2 into A dash, plus minus cancel, 1 by 2 into A, 1 by 2 into A, again A you will get. If you make the multiplication, again you will get same A. So this one, okay, we can express this type, but it is symmetric, skew symmetric, we have to check. For that purpose only, we know that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Next, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Why? Because already just we discussed here theorem number 1, that only I used here. This one is symmetric and this one is skew symmetric, means 1 by 2 into A plus A dash also symmetric. 1 by 2 into A minus A dash also skew symmetric. We have the property K is a constant, here constant is 1 by 2. So this is also symmetric, this is a skew symmetric. You observe, this is symmetric, by downside what we can get, this is skew symmetric. So what we can conclude, a square matrix can be expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Next, I displayed here exercise 3.3. 4 problems I displayed here. These are very simple problems. Very simple problems. Dash finding, transpose finding. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Already we discussed in example also. a minus b whole dash is equal to a dash minus b dash also. And fifth problem already I given. So these 4 problems and fifth problem take as a homework. So by this concept today class completed. In next class we'll continue the remaining problems. Thank you.